Good morning everybody. Today we'll discuss about interaction style. After this unit, you will get a concrete idea about different kind of interaction style available in HA. So there are 5 interaction style are called classic interaction style, as these type of style are very much common. The name are direct manipulation, menu selection, form filling, common language, and natural language based interaction. On the next slide, we will give a short introduction about all these type of interaction style. Direct manipulation involves 3 interrelated techniques. It provides a physically direct way to moving a cursor or manipulating the object of interest directly. Present a concrete visual representation of object of interest, and immediate change view will be reflect options, and it will avoid the command line language. So basically direct manipulation, the example of direct manipulation is, suppose if you want to delete any item from your desktop using mouse cursor. So that is the example of direct manipulation. In this direct manipulation, you are directly involved for moving the cursor. Whenever you move the cursor, whatever the consequence, whatever the change is happened, that will be viewed immediately to you. So after deleting the icon, the file, you will see that the item is not available in your desktop. So that is the immediate effect of the direct manipulations. And moreover, in the case of direct manipulation based interaction, you need not to apply any command line based things. Direct manipulation permits novice user to access the powerful facility without burden of learning and usage of syntax and lengthy command list. So in the case of direct manipulation, there is no command line language and you need not to learn the syntax. Okay, it is very difficult. There are no syntactical error. Direct manipulation is easy to remember for intermediate user also. So it is very good for the novice user, and as well as it is good for the intermediate user. And direct manipulation can be rapid for frequent user also. Those who are using the computer frequently, they are also can perform direct manipulation in very fast way. So direct manipulation is one of the most elegant interaction style. Okay. In your Windows based system, most of the interaction are direct manipulation. Okay, it is very much famous. Okay, interaction style. Mostly you can consider most largely we are interacting with the device through the direct manipulation. In menu selection, so there is another interaction time, that is menu selection. So menu selections also we are already used. Okay, if you use Microsoft Word, you will find out there is a menu option. You have to click on the menu, then the drop down list will become, and from that menu you have to choose your intended options. So in this kind of menu selection, you need not to learn anything. Okay, little learning. You firstly have to know where to click. Okay, so once you have seen that things, then you can learn these things. So learning time is very less, and memorization time also very less. You need not to memorize anything. Okay, so options will become, and you have to select the options. And for these things, you have to require just a few number of keystroke. If the interface designed very intelligently, then number of keystroke can be reduced. Okay, but ultimately you have to go perform some kind of keystroke. You need not to use the keyboard also. There is you may not, if you don't have the ability of typing, you can perform the menu selection task. Next interaction style is form filling. For certain applications, form filling is a appropriate interaction style. With this style, display of several fields, move cursor around the field and type data onto the field and select to form set by the scrolling. So form filling, okay, this type of interaction also, suppose any form is available, okay, any your personal data is available, and you have to fill that things, okay. So for that type of things, you have to go for the form filling type of interaction. And form filling type of interactions, you will display several fields and you have to move cursor movement also be required. So two types of primary operation is required. One is cursor movement, another is typing. It's very suitable for the dealing with error. Okay, so no prior experience is required. It's suitable for the novice users. Okay, for form filling, you need not to know anything. You need not to know anything means you need not to know anything in computer aspects. Okay, but you have to know the proper language or anything, natural language, whatever required to fill the form. Okay, so it is very suitable for the computer illiterate user, but sometimes it is not suitable for the novice user, those who are having a very literacy background. It is also almost appropriate, knowledgeable for the intermediate as well as frequent user. Next type of interaction style is command language. So a set of instruction, high level instruction, you have to type into the command language terminal. It is good for the frequent user interaction style. So basically some frequent user, you will find out they are very happy with writing the comments. Okay, actually command lines sometimes having the executed fast. Okay, you need not to click here and there, you need not to go for the mouse movement, you have to type something. And frequent user generally very fast typist, they can type very fast, but error rate are typically high. Whenever you are going to type, you may type any misspelled or anything. Okay, an error message online help are hard to provide in the command language interface, and moreover this type of interface is not good for the poor user or the novice user. Next one is natural language based interaction. It is most sophisticated interaction style which machine accept natural language. Okay, so in this natural language based interaction, okay, nowadays it is used very much in the Google search also. You will find out that you can search, you can speak anything and that things is will be searched. Okay, so sometimes, so this type of is very good. Okay, sometimes you are typing in your own language like a non-English language, your mother tongue, and that things will be translated into English format and it will be searched. So that kind of options is available marketized nowadays. So this type of so in this type of natural language based interaction, you need not to know the comment syntax or anything. Okay, so only things you have to know your mother tongue. Okay, that is also very suitable. So there is the comparison between these 5 different type of interaction style, that is direct manipulation, menu selection, form filling, command language. So direct manipulation is fast, intuitive interaction for the easy learner. Menu selection also avoid user error. Little typing is required. So in the case of menu selection, the option will be given there. So there is no chance of user error. Form filling, it is a type of data entry task. Okay, easily to learn, but possibility of the error is there. Command language is basically powerful and flexible, but it is difficult for the novice user. And natural language is accessible and casual user easily to extend it. Okay, but you have to know your language. So if you have required more reference, then you can go for the book of Ben Sinderman. Okay, or you can use the designing of user interface written by the Dennis Interval, Pearson Edison. If you have further doubt, you can contact with me with this mail ID. Thanking you for hearing me.